Alright, let's see. Here we go.
And I knew it was.
You don't know what it is. There's a box there.
Well,
Right side.
Erica, turn it over. Turn it over, Erica.
There, you can get into it. Look.
what did I tell you? Yes. Okay, catalog.
It was the one you wanted was the one that's called Savannah.
Lady.
Lady. Who is this?
It says it on the box.
Let's see this beautiful girl. Let me see. There's Lainey. There she is.
Erica, do you have to register that money thing?